Hi, back here, and today I'm going to be unboxing this Wi-Fi extender, which is compatible with any Wi-Fi router. So this is pretty cool, and you get a free 24/7 tech support as well as a 2-year warranty. So this product, which is cool, but the Wi-Fi is kind of weak in my room, which is why I'm getting a Wi-Fi booster. Package is not easy to open. And it's got an app too. I will go ahead and continue trying to. Oh, I think I've got it actually unwrapped. There we go. So now we can just go ahead and here we've got some instructions in here as well as the actual Wi-Fi router itself, which is pretty neat. So this is basically just intended to extend the range of your network. So without further ado, peace out. I'll have all my social media linked in the description, and thanks for watching.